welcome back, guys. So before we leave the session, there's one more thing we need to do. So we need to work on the pitch deck. How do we do that? Pitch deck or brand guideline, whatever you want to call it. So let's say, yeah, tools. I'm going to use these tools. I'm going to use Canvas right now. So I want to use Canvas, and let's say I want to create a pitch deck for for this for this business, and I want the pitch deck to serve as a brand guideline as well. I have some details already. 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 The logo, the font type for the business, the color code for the business. So these are basic things, and I could say I've attached the details to this as images. Yes, so perfect. Let's start bringing in some of the things I feel like, some of the information we need to give Gemini. So I'm going to come to the folder business now. So I have my name, I have everything right here, of course. So let's see. So we could use something like this. Yes, something like this is needed right now. Something like that is needed. Another thing is needed. Let me see what else is needed. This is needed right now. So this is needed right now. So let's choose this. So we have that as well. Let me see what else is needed. So we have the business knob right here. So we have business knob. I think this is needed as well. So let's input that as well. That is needed as well. So we could actually wait for all that. So let's see which one is business knob snippets. Let's see which one is that. This is it right here. So let's upload all these. So I'm going to have all these uploaded, and let's see how the pitch deck gets developed from this. So here are the images I'm attaching to whatever we are doing right now. So now I have all the basic things uploaded right now. So I'm going to have it sent out. So I want to create a pitch deck for this business. You see the way I did it so far. So I'm going to have it sent out. So let's see what it builds up for us. And this way we're going to get a pitch deck from Google Gemini. Like I said, if you want to really get Google Gemini Pro, you can come to store.villarcreative.com to get it. You have all your tools available right there. If it's ChatGPT you want to get, if it's Gemini, whatever AI tool you want to get, not just AI tool, you can even use it to get your themes and plugins by the time we start building the website. So as you could see, we have the ChatGPT Go for private accounts, the Plus, we have Filmora, Google AI Pro. So there are a lot of things you could get on these websites. Basically, that's the whole essence of that. So I'm going to just make sure everything is intact. So we are building the pitch deck right now, and I'm waiting for that to get loaded. So now the code has loaded, and right now you could see the preview of the pitch deck right here. So basically this is just a code, but I want to convert this to a slide project or a presentation slide, something like that. So I'm going to find a way to connect this to Google Slide. As you could see, this is the code. I could reduce the zoom level just to see what it has designed for me. So there are a lot of information right here that I could use for my brand guideline, and I could use for a pitch deck as well. But that's besides the point. What is the point now is that I want to convert this to a presentation slide so I can work on it much more later. So let me just scroll through so you could see what it actually looks like. So this is what it's designed for us. But the next thing I'm going to do now is to try to make sure I get a presentation slide or a Google slide from this. So what do? I'm going to prompt right away to make sure I get the Google slide out of this. So we have the business plan for business knob. We have every other thing. I could do the basic edits and all that, but that is something I'll come back to later on. Right now, we need to make sure we get the brand guideline the way we are trying to get it. So you don't have to be a designer, you don't have to know how to design or anything to be able to do all these things. Generative AI has made it easier for you to brand yourself without having to consult with a designer or anybody. And with the help of this course, you'll be able to create a full e-commerce website from the branding to the marketing without the help of anybody. You could hire an assistant or something. So right now, I want to convert this to a presentation slide. What do I do about that? So let me write a prompt for converting. So I'm going to convert this to a presentation slide. So the prompt is as simple as turn this to a Google slide. Google slide is part of Google's products and it works like Microsoft PPT or Microsoft PowerPoint as you all know it. So right now I'm turning this particular code or whatever it has built for me, I'm turning it to a Google slide, and you will see the generative AI trying to create slides out of that. Then the slide is what we're going to customize to make sure we have a brand guideline or a pitch deck. You can actually refine it much more later. You can do your own basic edits after we are done with this. So right now I'm waiting for the presentation slides, and here we have our presentation slides. So you could scroll through and see the slides. So these are different pages of the slide which you can edit much more later. But right now I've created this presentation slide, and what I want to do now is to make sure I export it to Google Slide so that I'll be able to edit. So I'm going to use the export button to export it to Google Slide, and once it's exported to Google Slide, I'll be able to carry out an edit on what has been created so far. So right now, I've just exported it to Google Slide, and I'm going to open it right away on Google Slide. And this is it right here on Google Slide. Google Slide is very easy to use. All we have to do is to carry out a basic edit on all the information in this brand guideline or whatever you want to call it, pitch deck. So right now, this is where we are. We'll be able to create our full business branding with generative AI, and that will be all for now. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.